In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Netflix. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you have an issue that you wish Netflix to address, you can go ahead and reach out to them directly via email. To do so, just go to the official Netflix website, and down below here, you can see we have this contact us option. Also, if you go to Help Center, then scroll down here. If you need any help, you can see we have an option to contact them. By clicking on Contact Us, you can go ahead and describe your issue. Maybe your issue is related to payment. Just go ahead and enter here, and here you'll be redirected to each and every page that you can contact them, or you can also just get in touch with them by calling them. You can also chat with them via chat option here. So for instance, if it's billing and payment issue, go ahead and click on this, and this will try to give you solutions to any of the problem that you are facing. And by using any of this method, you should be able to get more contact information if you so wish, where you can email them or even still call them to get your solution. So that's how you can contact Netflix, by following these steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.